The sandgrouse chicks are hatching. Even in the low morning sun, they need their mother's shade. Soon, it'll be so hot they'll die without water. Dad is their one hope. He's found a new waterhole with fewer big predators. But for such a small bird, even negotiating gentle giants is tricky. Carrying water back to his chicks will be even harder. A goshawk, here to prey on the thirsty. To save his chicks, the father risks his own life. With special absorbent feathers on his belly, a male sandgrouse can soak up enough water to fill a shot glass, ready to carry it back to his chicks. A 2-hour flight home, heavily laden. Just in time. The chicks take their first sip of water from Dad's feathers. He'll have to risk the same journey every day for 2 months, until his chicks can fly.